morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I am happy.
Okay, happy. Very good. What is your name, teacher?
My name is Punsi Yamija.
Okay, and what is your homeroom classroom?
I teach grade 5/2.
Very good, teacher. So today we'll start with clip 11. Please read the title.
Fruit and vegetable.
Very good. Let's read your vocabulary, sentence, and then story. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start.
1. Apple. I bought 4 apples. Banana. I like to eat banana milk. Potato. I am going to buy potato at the market. Strawberry. I like to eat strawberry ice cream. Pineapple. I like to eat pineapple. Orange. This gas of orange juice is delicious.
Yes.
Grape. Wine is made from grape. Cucumber. I bought 1 kilo of cucumber. Carrot. Rabbit like to eat carrot.
Yes.
Cabbage. I bought the cabbage.
Okay, very good. I will read and then you start, okay?
Okay.
Number 1.
Number 1. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple.
Very good. Number 2. Banana.
Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana.
Number 3. Potato.
Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O.
Okay. Number 4. Strawberry.
Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry.
Very good, teacher. Number 5. Pineapple.
Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E.
Very good. Number 6. Orange.
Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange.
Very good. Number 7. Grapes.
Grape. G-R-A-P-E-S.
Very good. Number 8. Cucumber.
Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R.
Very good. Number 9. Carrot.
Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T.
Okay, very
Carrot.
good. Number 10. Cabbage.
Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E.
Okay, very good, teacher. Let's read your story.
Sorry. Yes. I go to the market to buy fruit and vegetable.
Yes.
I will buy apple, banana, potato, strawberry, pineapple, orange, grape, and carrot.
Very good, teacher.